Here we've got REALME 6 Pro, and let me show you how to activate the battery percentage and status bar on the following device. So first of all, we have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now go to notifications and status bar. And here under status bar you will notice show battery percentage on status bar, mark it. And now you can decide if you would like to see the current battery label inside the battery icon, just mark it and now you can locate it here, or outside the battery icon, so now it's right next to the battery. And actually this is it, that will be all. So you can activate the battery percentage. Obviously you can pick the preferred option. I would like to leave it this way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.